I found a copycat recipe for In-N-Out's double animal style burgers, and I'm making it kosher. I'll show you how. As soon as I saw the copycat recipe, I knew I was going to recreate it at home, and I knew I'd make it kosher by swapping out the real beef for Impossible beef because we don't mix meat and dairy in a kosher kitchen. Here's how I did it. Take the Impossible beef, shape it into patties, and then cook them. Now I'm sauteing the onions till they're nice and caramelized, then adding that on top of the patties. And now for the best part, melting cheddar cheese on top of the patties while that cooks. Here's the secret sauce: mayo, ketchup, a little bit of relish, some vinegar and sugar. Mix that together. And look at all that cheese. Underneath, there's a layer of caramelized onions. This is going to be epic. I cannot wait. It just looks so good. Time to layer it up. We've got our sauce and then tomatoes and pickles and lettuce, and adding that layer of beef on top, the fake beef, but it looks real and it just looks so good. And we're going to do another one because it's double. I cannot wait to dig in. Do you see this? This is completely kosher. I cannot wait. I've never had a cheeseburger in my entire life and I'm so excited. Okay, bye.